Hi friends, in this video we are watching the beautiful wardrobe designs, and in this video we're going to know what are the advantages of a wardrobe, and at the end of the video I will tell you how much it will cost for making the wardrobes. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's begin the topic. A wardrobe is more than just a piece of a furniture. It also serves as an essential part of our daily lives, and it provides the storage, organization, and personal space for keeping clothes, accessories, and other essential items. And not only wardrobe reflects the personality, it also reflects the lifestyle and preference of the individual who owns it, making it an integral part of every home. A wardrobe is a large cabinet with shelves, drawers, and hanging space to accommodate different types of clothing and accessories. Over the years, wardrobes have evolved from simple wooden cupboards to modern, sleek designs made from a varieties of materials, including wooden, glass, metals, and even eco-friendly options like bamboos. Some wardrobes are built into the walls to save the space, while others are freestanding and serve as a decorative element in a room. A wardrobe helps maintain order and cleanliness. It allows the individual to organize their belongings systematically and making it easier to find the specific items when it is needed. A well organized wardrobe can also extend the lifespan of clothes by protecting them from dust. Wardrobes often include the mirrors, adding a practical element for dressing while enhancing the aesthetics of the room. The wardrobe also holds a deeper symbolic meaning. It can represent an individual identity and the social status. A building wardrobe, unlike freestanding wardrobes, can be customized to fit any area. Building wardrobes are clever option for dealing with area space, and they can be even tailored into fit in different types of corners of the room. This way you can make use of unused alcoves and add corners while also integrating your wardrobe into your existing room arrangement. The nicest thing about built-in wardrobe is that you get to participate in the design process in terms of finishes and style. You can create a wardrobe that matches the rest of your decor. So depending the style of your decor, choose materials for your clothing to match the contemporary style interiors. Choose sleek acrylic finish with stainless steel handles. To make the wardrobe, there are the different types of materials are used like HDMR, MDF, plywood. These are the most common materials used for wardrobe. But most common material which are used to make the wardrobe is the plywood, because it is more durable and it is more strong than other materials. In plywood also you will get there are different types of grades like 303, 710. In 303 we call the MR grade, which we call the moisture resistant plywood, and another one is BWR, which is boiling water resistance, and another most durable material in plywood is 710, which is BWP, boiling waterproof. It is the most commonly used material for wardrobes, kitchen drawers, cabinets, beds. Even BWR is also best material. So if your budget is high, you can go with the BWP, which is 710 grade, which we call the marine grade ply. To make a wardrobe, the price starts from 1100 rupees per square feet. In this price, the total everything is included like materials, the labor cost, and the hardware items, and it ranges 1500 rupees per square feet. This is for the laminate finish. If you want to go with acrylic finish, the prices starts from 1500 rupees to 2000 rupees per square feet. So my suggestion is that select the laminate because it is eco-friendly, it is eco-budgetly, and the materials in laminate you will get lots of colors, options, variations, and designs. So friends, while making the wardrobes, you should remember some important point. First one is the budget. Second, the space of the room. How much you want to make the wardrobe. Like let me take some example. If you want to make the wardrobe by 6 by 9, the total area will be 54 square feet. 6 feet will be width and 9 feet will be the length height. So the total is 54, and let me assume that wardrobe price rupees will be 1100 rupees per square feet. In this everything is included, the labor charges and the materials. So we will multiply with 54 into 1100 rupees. The price comes is 59,400 rupees. So to make the wardrobe by 6 by 9, the total cost will be 59,400 rupees. This price is totally depends on the quality of materials, locations, and the designs which you select. The price may be less, little bit of less, or may be expensive, but most of the price starts from 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees per square feet. So that is why I selected 1100 rupees per square feet. And if you want to make with only labor cost, the labor charges starts from 200 rupees per square feet to 350 rupees per square feet for making the wardrobes. It totally depends upon the designs and the design's complexity. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to make the beautiful wardrobe designs. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you want more details, you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, if you like this video, then please like and share with your friends and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching.